How's it going? Tcbm here, and today I just received a package with my 5 Arceus packs, so I'm just gonna get this opened up. And then I'm gonna open them. Oh no, I think I cut something. What did I cut? It was just a little piece of paper with... Oh, I cut a little bit of the note. Oh well. Yeah, so we have that. And it says, hey, I'm really sorry for sending out so late, especially on a good trade. I hope you like... That's where I cut it off a little. Anyways, it says, I hope you like the extra. Good luck on the pulls, and that's for being so patient. Alright, thank you so much, and the entes fell. Alright, so, let's see what we got here. So there's signature card, Psychic Energy, hsf144. I'm gonna have fun popping this bubble wrap later. Alright, cool. So we got 6 packs. What? Let's put that right there. So we have an Arceus pack. Oh no. Another Arceus pack. Another Arceus pack. Oh, and a Heart Soul Silver pack. Nice. So that was the extra. Thank you very much for that. So I wanted to get these opened up. So let's start off with this Arceus pack. Do the trick here. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2. Let's get this out of the way. Alright, so we have Pelipper, Bronzor, Professor Oak's Visit, Ponyta, Tangela, Snorunt, Shinx, Omanite, ooh, Alexio, and what? An Arceus level X. That's freaking awesome. I need sleeves. Nice. That's amazing. Arceus level X. Alright. That was a very nice first pack. Let's go with another Arceus pack. This one's Grass Arceus. Alright, let's do the trick here. Alright, so we got a Cherrim, Buffer Piece, Ultimate Zone, Lucky Egg, Geodude, Ponyta, Wingull, Beedrill G, Krogunk, ooh, and an Arceus electric type. Where'd my sleeves go? Oh, here they are. I haven't opened any Arceus packs in so long. It's been like 5 years. Alright, so we have a Salamence pack here. So let's do the trick. Alright. Department store. Black Belt. Or Expert Belt. Another Bronzor. Beedrill G. Tangela. Oops. Nosepass. Dome Fossil. Burmy. Old Amber. And a Porygon Z G. It's my first one of those. That's really cool. So it's a Zapdos pack. Alright, let's do the trick here. Okay, so we got a Bronzong, Beginning Door, Charmeleon, Helix Fossil, Omanite, Bronzor, Gulpin, Trico, Tangela, and a Snorunt, or I mean Galil. Oops. Cool. So we have one more Arceus pack, and it's Zapdos. Let's do the trick here. Alright. Energy Restore, Graveler, Wormadam, Omanite, Cherubi, Makuhita, Pikachu, Wingull, Arceus Fire, and Sceptile. Nice. Let's get that in a sleeve. Alright, cool. No. Alright. And now for last but not least, Heart Gold Soul Silver pack. I actually never really pulled much, or bought many of these. Let's hope for something good. So I got Slowbro, Full Heal, Professor X New Theory, Girafarig, Paris, Hoothoot, Staryu, Pikachu, Sunkern, and a Sunflora. So together. Alright, cool. Well, overall, so we got the Arceus Level X, Electric Arceus, and a Fire Arceus. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you guys in my next video.